Sara decided to host a masterclass on making homemade ice cream with different flavors. She loved cooking and wanted to share her passion with her friends. Planning the masterclass. Sara planned the event carefully. She chose 3 flavors to teach: chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. She prepared a list of ingredients and equipment needed for each flavor. She also created recipe cards for her friends to follow. The day of the masterclass. On the day of the masterclass, Sara set up her kitchen with stations for each flavor. She welcomed her friends and gave them aprons. She started the class by explaining the basics of making ice cream at home, including the importance of using fresh ingredients. Making the ice cream. Sara demonstrated how to make the base for the ice cream and then divided her friends into groups. Each group was responsible for one flavor. They followed Sara's instructions, measuring and mixing ingredients. Sara moved between the groups, offering tips and answering questions. After preparing the mixtures, they put them in the freezer. While waiting for the ice cream to set, Sara taught them how to make cones and toppings. Tasting the ice cream. Finally, it was time to taste their creations. Everyone was excited to try the different flavors. They were proud of their homemade ice cream and enjoyed customizing their servings with various toppings. The masterclass was a success. Sara's friends appreciated learning a new skill, and they all had a fun and delicious afternoon.
What flavors of ice cream did Sara choose for the master class? What did Sara prepare for her friends to follow during the master class? How did Sara and her friends feel about the ice cream they made?